What's up guys, this is Mark and I'm going to show you guys how to play Butter by BTS today. So get your guitar and we'll get straight right into it. So first, you need to get a capo and you're going to put the capo on the first fret, alright? And we're just going to start with the verse. So for the verse, it's really easy. It's just a G chord. Okay? But we're going to play it like the song. So if you listen to the song and if you listen to the bass, this is how it goes. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just doing a down strum on beats 1, 2, 3. And then I'm doing an up strum on the 4 and a. And I'm doing a down strum back on beat 1. So that's the pattern for the first bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, E and a 1. So on the second bar, what I'm doing is the down strum on beat 1. The end of beat 1 I'm doing a down strum. So it'll be 1 and. I'm doing a down strum on the end of 2 and on beat 3. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3. So in the verse, this is a 2-bar strumming pattern. So if you combine it together, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3. Alright? And with the song, it will sound like this. So basically what I'm doing is I'm doing a palm muting with my right hand. It's this part of my palm here that's just resting on the bridge of guitar that gives me that crisp sound. And I'm not strumming the whole chord. You can if you want to. It's fine. But I'm just doing this palm muting thing so it sounds crisp. And what I'm doing is I'm just plucking like the bottom 2 to 3 strings of the guitar. So there you go. There you have it. That's the verse of Butter. So let's move on to the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus, there are just 3 chords in it. It's C, then it's D, and it's E minor. So one whole bar of C, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 beats of D in the next bar, 1, 2. And the 2 bars of E minor, 3, 4. So let me just play it for you guys again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it repeats twice. So you guys are gonna play it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. But instead of going to the E minor on the second time, there's a drop in the song. So what you're gonna do is this. You're just gonna do a slide. And that's really cool. A lot of my students love learning that. So I'm just gonna teach you guys. Essentially what I'm doing is just this. I'm just pressing down the 2 lower strings on my guitar around the 12th fret. And then I'm just plucking the 2 strings. And after that, I'm sliding down. So you just gotta slide it down right after you pluck the strings like this. And it gives a really cool effect. Okay, so just try it out and let me know how it goes. So the whole pre-chorus will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to spice things up with the song, you can try this strumming pattern. So you're gonna play C like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 2 and a 4 E and a. Okay? Let me just play for you guys again. 1 and a 2 E and a 2 and a 4 and a. Alright? And for the D chord and E minor chord, it goes like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a. So if you combine the 2, it will go like this. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a. So just do that twice and remember the second time, E minor, you're not going to play on beat 3 and 4. You're just going to do the slide, the drop on beat 3, right? This is how it sounds like with the music. Get like that, break it down. Alright? Just practice it slow. If it's something new to you and your fingers are not feeling quite used to it, just practice it slow. And now moving on to the chorus. In the chorus, the chords are same as the pre-chorus, right? One bar of C, then the second bar is 2 beats of D, and then 2 beats of E minor. And then repeats again, okay? But what is different is the strumming pattern. So I'm going to teach you guys the strumming pattern for the chorus right now. So this is how the strumming pattern for the chorus will go. Okay, so I'm going to break it down to you guys what I just did. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a downstroke on the 1 and the end of 1. 1 and. Okay? Followed by downstroke on 2, upstroke on E, and downstroke on So for 2 E and it'll be like this. 2 E and So if you combine the two, it'll go like this. 1 and 2 E and Let me count it for you guys again. 1 E and 2 E and Alright? So once you got it down, then we can add beat 3. And beat 3, what you're going to do is just go and strum a downstroke on beat 3. That's it, okay? So if you combine it together, it'll be like 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and So far so good. Then let's add beat 4. So beat 4 is you're going to do a down strum on the beat 4. You're going to do strum on the end of 4. And you're going to do a up strum on the So it'll be like 4 E and Okay? So after that, you combine the whole bar, the strumming pattern for the whole bar, okay? And do it really slow if you need to. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and And try this out. Try to count it out loud while you practice the strumming and do it as slow as you need to. If you need to practice it like this slow, 1 E and 2 E. Yeah, go ahead and do it, okay? Because you're teaching your fingers, your hands, a new strumming pattern. So you want to get comfortable doing it as slow as you need to first. So if you got that down, then it'll be really easy to do the next part, which is the chords D and E minor, because it's the exact same strumming pattern. Beats 1 and 2, you play the strumming pattern for D, and beats 3 and 4, you do the strumming pattern for E minor. So it goes like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 and Practice just those 2 bars until you're really comfortable, then you can play it. So basically this strumming pattern repeats like 3 times because for the chorus there are basically 8 bars of these chords, okay? But for the last bar there's a drop. It's slightly different. Let me just show you how it sounds like at the last bar. So this is the last part of the chorus and this is how it sounds. Here. So that's like a da-da-da-da-da-da, okay? So to simplify it, you're just gonna do like a down strum on beats 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 is D chord and on beat 3 is E minor. 1, 2, 3. On beat 4 you just do the slide thing and get ready for the verse. So if you were to combine the whole thing, it'll sound like this. And there you have it, the entire Butter song. So after you learn that part, you can just repeat this chorus strumming pattern for like the rap, the bridge, the ending, the repeat of the chorus. You just need to know these 3 parts. The verse part, the pre-chorus part, and the chorus part, and you're set. So I hope this lesson has been helpful for you guys. And if it has, please like this video and share it with your friends. Learn the song. Let me know how it goes. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post regular guitar lessons here. So I'll see you guys in the next video and take care. Bye bye.